Star Yancey Butler was in a New York courtroom battling a slew of charges involving allegations of violent family fights. Carlos Diaz reports.
Holly, Witchblade was a network TV show about an age-old weapon known for both its power and its curse. Well, now it seems Witchblade star Yancey Butler is no stranger to that kind of cruel contradiction in her own personal life.
Sometimes I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Witchblade star Yancey Butler is now starring in another role, one she and her family must certainly wish she had no part in. How's your relationship with you and your father? As Yancey Butler pushes her way through the halls of justice, Suffolk County police reports obtained by CJ claim the star, quote, punched her uncle in the chest and attempted to bite him on the arm as he tried to take a bottle of vodka from her. Butler was arrested, spent the night in jail, and slapped with an order of protection. Yancey, did you strike your father or your uncle at any time?
Yancey, how do you respond to the charges, Yancey?
The very next day, after the alleged fight with her uncle, Butler went back home, and according to police reports, the actress proceeded to punch her father while she was intoxicated. Then when police picked her up again, Butler allegedly headbutted a police officer as they tried to drag her out of the squad car.
It was a family misunderstanding. It's something that got out of hand, so to speak, by all parties.
Butler's attorney, Michael Brown, says Yancey has completed inpatient rehab and hasn't had a thing to drink since her family problems.
I think intoxication for any individual can obviously play a role and can in some ways distort that person's personality. If you saw Yancey, and if you know Yancey Butler, you'll know she's a very gentle, kind, warm human being who's a talented actress. And the allegations that were put forth clearly are not her in a sober state of mind.
As she entered and exited court, Yancey was escorted by the father she's accused of striking, Joe Butler, who knew fame himself as drummer in the 60s pop group The Lovin' Spoonful.
They have a great relationship, they always have, and they continue to have a great relationship. This hasn't really affected their relationship at all.
Yancey Butler is scheduled back in court in the middle of March.
Still to come.
The perfect PC